Today we're going to be making cinnamon buns. Let's get started! For the dough, we need yeast, sugar, and warm water. 2 tablespoons of yeast. Teaspoons. And a bit of sugar. Wait until the yeast starts bubbling. For the dough, we need to combine the rest of the ingredients. But for the milk, salt, sugar, and avocado oil into the bowl. Move it! Attach the mixing bowl to the mixer, and add this kind of tool to it. Add the yeast to the mixing bowl. And add the hook inside the blender. Attach the dough hook to the mixer and start adding flour. Our dough is ready! Cover your dough with a clean towel and wait for it to rise. Spread melted butter on the baking sheet. For the topping, we need brown sugar and whipping cream. It's a sandcastle! Sandcastle in the middle of an ocean of milk. Hell. For the topping, we are going to use chopped walnuts, but you could use hazelnuts, almonds, and pecans. It's your choice. It's time to try it. Take bun. Look how fluffy they are. They're so fluffy. The nuts taste so much like caramel. It's very yummy and caramel.